Hi everyone, I'm going to do an unboxing of the DJI Mini 2 drone. Here are some of the specs. It's an ultralight and foldable drone that weighs less than 249 grams. As Americans, we don't really use grams, do we? 31-minute flight time. I think that's using all 3 batteries that they have included in this bundle, as they call it. It has a 3-axis gimbal camera, which happens to have 4K video. And so let's just open up this little gem here and see what's inside. Isn't this exciting? Okay, everything comes in a nice little carrying case. All right, what do we have in here? So here's the drone. Wow, very small, very compact. I believe these are this is the control. Yes, this is the control, and where you mount your camera. I'm sorry, your cell phone. I'm not sure how this comes out, but this is the control. Nice bag, and then you have the accessories. Okay, so here are comes with 3 batteries, 3 battery packs. There you go, there's 2, and the 3rd one I assume is already in it. And then you have your plug and your cords. So there's one other thing here in the box. Let's take a look at what that is. Oh, the directions. All right, so let's put this thing together and go put it in flight.